This is a 110 volt machine, 150 power at 9 litres, steam regulator on the top, flow sensitive unloader. This is set up, so what simply happens is if you want to, you can make the machine suck. So you're making the machine suck, this valve is closed, you would then take that out, you would then connect the water dump side to this side, dump pipe, and the suction hose to this side. So I'll just connect up right quick. So connecting up, so this machine is then able to suck. That valve will be shut, so when you let go of the trigger, the water will return back to tank on this dump side here. Thermal overload switch protection, and also the socket to plug the DOF system into, the steam thermotech system. If you come to want to use the machine, like I said before, and make it work off mains, what you do is disconnect your pipes. You will then connect this pipe back into the dump. You would then open this valve, so when you let go of the trigger, the water would circulate round the head. Like I say, you've got the steam regulator here that opens and closes to lessen the pressure if you want to. High pressure outlet point. Flange coupling drive, so what we're doing here is driving it with a coupling in between. Thanks very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.